Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. My name is Sanal Nair, and I'm here with Robert Wagner, Product Manager, Service Virtualization and API Testing at Tricentis Tosca User Conference, Pune. Hi, Robert.
Hi, Sanal. Nice to meet you.
What are your thoughts about digital transformation?
Digital transformation, you can see it everywhere. Everybody has a mobile phone or a smartphone, and I think it hits everybody. If you run a business, and you need to be aware that if you don't offer this as a service to your customers, you're probably gonna vanish in the future, because the companies who focus on are customer centric, basically, definitely gonna make the race. And since everybody has these smartphones, they tend to, for instance, order stuff you produce just via mobile phone, and maybe another delivery service just brings it to the houses. So this is something, in my opinion, everybody who runs a business needs to be aware of. If you don't want to get disrupted, you need to jump on this train.
Okay, tell us something about the importance of API testing and OSV in the world of digital transformation.
Well, probably people don't really know what's OSV, but OSV is basically service virtualization, right? So you have, the good thing is we have nowadays that we have standards we can use. For instance, REST services, you have standards which describe, for instance, the client, but also the service, for instance. And this is a real gift actually to the IT world, that we have a way to communicate between computers where we have some kind of definitions we can make use of in order to integrate more easily. And so APIs is exactly this. So we can offer to others, for instance, an API, and give them a definition, and they easily know how to integrate. That's more or less the key in order to get the digital transformation ongoing, to connect all the mobile devices with the services or the business we're actually offering. And so there are clients and there are services out there. So you will need, if you're developing a client, you will need on the other side a service. But if the service is not available, you need something you can run this against. And this is exactly where service virtualization comes in place. So you can develop your client against the virtual application. And as soon you can connect to the other system, integration is much more smooth than without, of course. And on the other side, you have if you develop a service, you want to check out if the services work with the clients. If your business you're running, if the functionality is really doing what you're expecting. And this is basically what APIs testing is. And API testing and service virtualization is very linked together, because no matter if you're a client or if you're a service, the messages are basically the same. And it's exactly what is API testing and service virtualization is about. It's like simulating the one side or the other side, even they have never seen each other, and when you connect them to each other, they speak the same language.
That's really interesting. So, Robert, you have come to India for the first time. What are your thoughts about the user conference?
Oh, the conference is amazing. We've been a couple of days before in Bangalore. It was a huge success in my opinion, because it was the first conference here in India. And then I come over here and it's even more people and it's even more stuffed. So that's just really amazing. And for me, it's the very first time in India, and it's such a great experience. And I really need to say, I don't know how you guys manage this, but you're so absolutely friendly and fantastic people. Probably it's the food, I don't know, which is probably the best thing in the world you guys have here, and really appreciate, and I'm definitely coming back.
That was Robert Wagner, Product Manager, API Testing and Service Virtualization with us. Robert, we hope you enjoyed the conference.
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks a lot. See you soon.
Thank you.